This landmark case, Rosanna L. Tan-Andal petitioned for the nullity of her marriage to Mario Victor M. Andal, citing psychological incapacity under Article 36 of the Family Code. Their story began with hope and love, but soon unraveled into a series of troubling events: financial instability, emotional volatility, and substance abuse. After years of struggle, Rosanna sought legal remedy, leading to a lengthy battle in the courts. Trial court initially ruled in her favor, declaring the marriage void and awarding her custody of their daughter. However, the Court of Appeals reversed this decision, questioning the reliability of the psychological evaluation presented. This case would ultimately reach the Supreme Court, setting the stage for a significant doctrinal shift in Philippine family law. Supreme Court recognized that the traditional interpretation of psychological incapacity had become too rigid and medicalized, often requiring expert testimony and clinical diagnoses. In this case, the court clarified that psychological incapacity is not strictly a medical or psychiatric disorder, but a legal concept rooted in the inability to fulfill essential marital obligations. Court emphasized that evidence of enduring personality traits and dysfunctional behaviors, rather than a formal diagnosis, could suffice. Ordinary witnesses, not just experts, may testify to these behaviors. This shift aimed to make the law more humane and accessible, focusing on the lived realities of spouses rather than imposing a straitjacket of clinical requirements. The decision marked a move toward a more compassionate and realistic approach to failed marriages. Supreme Court's ruling in Tan-Andal v. Andal has far-reaching implications for Philippine family law. By abandoning the strict medical model, the court lowered barriers for those seeking relief from marriages marked by grave dysfunction. The decision clarified that psychological incapacity must be proven by clear and convincing evidence, but not necessarily by expert testimony. Also reaffirmed that the incapacity must exist at the time of marriage and be grave and enduring, but not incurable in a medical sense. This doctrinal restatement empowers courts to consider the totality of evidence, including testimony from those who witnessed the couple's relationship. Ultimately, the ruling seeks to balance the sanctity of marriage with the need to protect individual dignity and autonomy, offering a more humane path for those trapped in irreparably broken unions.